Welcome to Cirkitronix. In this video, we will show you how to test your Arduino Uno board step by step. We will start by installing the Arduino IDE and uploading a basic blinking LED program to make sure everything works. So if you are setting up your board for the first time, stay tuned. First, let's install the Arduino IDE software. Open your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Click on the first link that leads to the official Arduino website. Now you will see the download page. This software is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Since I'm using Windows, I will click on the Window Installer option. On the next page, you can choose to contribute to the Arduino project. That is optional. For now, I will click on Just Download. You might see a news prompt. Feel free to skip it or sign up if you are interested. Once downloaded, double click on the installer file. Accept the license agreement, click next, choose your installation folder and hit install. The installation will take few moments. Once done, check the Run Arduino IDE box and click Finish. This is the Arduino IDE interface. Now connect your Arduino board using a USB cable. Plug one end into your board and the other end into your laptop. Let's set up the board in the IDE. Go to Tools, Board and select Arduino Uno. Next, go to Tools, Port and select the port your board is connected to. Mine is 10, but yours might be different. If no port appears, make sure the USB is connected properly. Now, let's upload Blink example. Go to Files, Examples, Basics, Blink. This opens a basic LED Blink program. By default, the blinking program is usually preloaded by the manufacturer during testing. So if you have connected your board, you might already see the onboard LED blinking once every second. Let's try changing the delay to 5000 so the LED blink every 5 seconds. Now click upload icon, the right arrow. Wait a moment. If everything is set up right, you will see done uploading at the bottom. Great, the onboard LED is now blinking every 5 seconds. This confirms that your Arduino Uno board is working perfectly. Now you can build all kinds of cool projects by connecting different sensors and programming them using your Arduino board. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.